In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can go live on TikTok from PC. So let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is to go into your browser and go into google.com and search for TikTok Live PC. And then you should see the download live studio result right here on the first link, so you need to click on it because we would need the TikTok Live Studio in order for us to be able to go live from our PC. So just make sure to click on download and just download the exe file, and then you want to open it to install. So I'm just going to open that right here, and it's now open just like this one. So now I'm going to click here on install. And now from here, it's currently downloading, so you would have to wait for it to be completely downloaded and then it would install. So the speed or duration will depending on your internet connection speed. All right, it's now done downloading and it's currently installing, so we just have to wait for it. And then after this, we would need to log in into our account. All right, installation is now complete. Now we can now click here on open. Here it is currently opened. So now it's preparing our studio. So let's just wait for it to load again. And now we're here. As you can see, we can now set up our live right here. So we can go for the scenes, the tools, and then many more. And then you could see your account in here. So in my case, I am already logged in, but if you're not logged in yet, then you would need to do so first so that you'd be able to see if you have live access. In my case, I am not yet eligible to go live on TikTok because this is just a tutorial account. So yeah, I wouldn't be able to go live in yet, but you should now be able to see that you could set up your live in here, like connect your displays, like your scenes, like adding your source in here, you display capture image just like that. And then once you are done setting up your live, you can now click here on go live, and then you should now be able to go live. But in my case, again, my account is not yet eligible, so it cannot go live, but this is basically how you can go live in TikTok using your PC. Thank you for watching.